Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a PSN account. First, understand that this is a permanent decision with significant consequences. You will lose access to all your digital games, add-ons, and any funds remaining in your wallet. There is no way to recover a deleted account, so consider this carefully before proceeding. Before you contact support, take a few crucial steps. Ensure you back up any game saves you wish to keep, either to the cloud or a USB drive. Also, spend any funds in your PlayStation wallet, as these are non-refundable once the account is deleted. Finally, unlink your account from any connected services or devices. The only way to delete your PSN account is by contacting PlayStation support directly. Go to their official website to find the appropriate contact method for your region, such as phone or live chat. Be ready to provide your online ID and associated email address. Clearly state your intention to permanently delete your account. Once PlayStation support processes your request, your account, including your online ID and all personal data, will be permanently removed. Remember, this action is irreversible. You cannot recover the account or any of its associated digital content. It's a final step, so be absolutely certain before proceeding. Also, for a great way to organize your meals, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.